मास्क काढार त्याचे मास्क काढा झाडा झाडा रिमूव्ह युअर मास्क फर्स्ट.
आम्ही पळयता जे उमर खालीद फ्री म्हणून हो पोस्टर आशिल्लो तो प्लेकार्ड्स आशिल्लो तेका डिटेन केलेले आसा पणजी पुलीस. हे तुमकां दिसता लायव्ह इन गोवा 24/7 अशें. घेवन कितें करता ते
साडीला कशी वाटी माशी
Khalid is just an under trial. He is not a criminal. He has not been proved criminal by the court. Umar Khalid is our brother. Not only Umar Khalid, even Sharjeel Imam is our brother. And every person who has been detained by this unjust government is our brother. So we are not at all ashamed to say, free Umar Khalid. We are not at all ashamed. We are not at all afraid.
And
This is dictatorship. This is fascism. It is going to end one day.
We were not given any reasons as to why they had to detain Danish Nazar without any reason, just for carrying a poster. And if there is a provision for that, just show us the provision before you detain anybody. It cannot be this arbitrary just because somebody
asked the PI what is the crime he committed, and he had no answer.
And
This
please,
is very high-handed, very arbitrary.
This is fascism.
and
This is
please,
fascism.
tomorrow this can happen to anybody. If any of us can be detained for just carrying a placard for what we want to say and without any reason taken like this, we don't know if he is getting beaten up or what. We can't allow that to happen.
I say in front of 20 cameras here, free Sharjeel Imam, free Umar Khalid, free every single human citizen who has been declared a criminal without a trial. Under trials are not criminals. Read your constitution first. Read your constitution first. Under trials are not criminals. We have got full right to demand each and every prisoner's release. And we are still standing on that. And we are not taking our words back. We are not taking our posters back. We are not begging behind this government. We are not going down this government.
Release
What is-
Danish!
Release Danish!
Release Danish!
Release Danish!
Let him go!
We want justice.
We want justice.
Release Danish.
Release Danish.
We want justice.
We want justice.
Release Danish.
Release Danish.
We want justice.
We want justice.
Kind request.
हे आमची खुशी, आमचो आनंद, आमची विक्ट्री, आमचो सेलिब्रेशन या गव्हर्नमेंटाक पळोवपाक जायना. तेका लागून रंगमय भंग हे आयचे दिसता तुमकां, हे रंगमय भंग. कारण नसताना, रिजन नसताना, लॉजिक नसताना, काही नसताना आमच्या भुरग्याक अरेस्ट केला. कित्याक? बिकॉज ही इज सेइंग फ्री उमर खालिद. I am saying free Umar Khalid. There are so many people standing here. They are all saying unanimously free Umar Khalid. How many people you are going to arrest? तुम किस किस को अंदर डालोगे? हर घर से दानिश निकलेगा. हर घर से दानिश निकलेगा. हर घर से उमर खालिद निकलेगा. हर घर से शर्जील इमाम निकलेगा.
सो आम्ही पाहू शकता की
And please ask the police personnel also what is the crime for which a human being has been detained against students.
आज घेतलेलो ऑलमोस्ट म्हाका गेटीचो सिद्धता आशिल्लो हे
Under
पळोवू शकता
trials are
तुम्ही.
not criminals. Under trials are not criminals.
दानिश
They have not been proven guilty by any court.
ताजें नाव
It is our
दानिश
civil
म्हणून
right to
कळटा
demand every
की
prisoner's release.
पणजी PI टाउन पुलिसाचे ताका घेवन गेल्लो आसा. तेणी प्लेकार्डाचेर आसले तेजे उमर खालीद फ्री म्हणून अशें बरयल्लें. सो तो खंय तरी कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल थारलो. सो ह्या विशयाचेर आतां पणजी हेडक्वॉर्टराच्या भायर लोक जमा जावपाक लागलेले आसा.
And the PI says that
I asked specifically PI, did he commit any crime? He had no answer. He said they are investigating him. Why only him? Why not us? Why do you pick up somebody because of his religion? You can't do that.
It's a brutal fascism on display.
If there is any crime committed, he's done anything wrong, then please tell us, no? You know, we are going to investigate him. Can you pick up any citizen?
He was being asked the ID card.
Yeah, but why only he?
and the PI
Why
said
only?
that
Because of the banner.
No.
play card.
So what was the wrong with the banner?
What he has said?
What was wrong with the banner?
He said free XYZ.
See, आवडते ना, police correctly asked the ID card office.
Yeah. But why only him?
How many of us today have the ID cards with us?
Because he was holding Umar Khalid free.
So what?
Why it is relevant to CJP protest? Boss, why it is relevant to CJP protest? CJP protest तुम्ही
Any protest, anybody can demand anything.
धर्मेश प्रधानाची आज victory rally असली. Today there was victory rally for Dharmesh Pradhan's resignation.
Not restrict.
So what?
Wait 1 minute, let me answer. We have not restricted any protest poster you're getting. You are free to get any poster. Getting a poster and saying free XYZ is not a crime in this country. Is it
We
a crime?
even stand for LGBTQ people.
Whatever, whoever is on trial, unless proven guilty, the law says what? You are innocent. Unless proven guilty, you are innocent.
There are people in Goa who are celebrating Nathuram Godse. What about that?
But Avertin, what was the problem in showing the ID card?
ID card. What is the problem in showing ID card?
He must not be having it.
Also not on phone also.
Don't disturb me.
Avertin, what was the problem?
Wait. My point is, why are you asking only of one person ID card? Why didn't ask my ID card or anybody else?
Because you are not holding that play card.
Then you should tell no that this is a crime. Holding a poster is a crime. Is it a crime?
Not at all.
It's a free country. We are not in North Korea. To say that you don't hold this and don't hold that.
पोस्ट कार्ड घेऊन जावं बुके पण कितें बरू शकता फ्रीडम डेमोक्रेसी
तुकडे तुकडे घ्या तुम्ही फाल्यां उठून कोणी कोणाचे ना फॉर एक्झाम्पल चल त्या दिसा मुंबई अटॅक जाले मुंबई अटॅकान उरलो
चेतन विचार.
कसाब फाल्यां कोण कसाब जेन्ना जेलीन आसलो तेजेर अजून ट्रायल चालू जावंक नासलें तेका अजून गिल्टी प्रूव जावंक नासलो कोर्टान करून त्या टायमार कोण येवन म्हटलेलो की बाबा फ्री कसाब
खरं म्हटलं हांगा आमच्या मिटिंगेत
म्हणटा
डोंट सजेस्ट
तुम्ही हांव तुका एक्झाम्पल
जाल्यार तांकां अरेस्ट करतले असले तशें असले जाल्यार तांकां अरेस्ट करतले असले
प्रूव्हन अंटील गिल्टी सो तेजे सांगले की एव्हरीथिंग
सर तुम्ही कितले कंपल्सरी स्टुडंट जर कोणी असो वी ऑल कॅरी आय कार्ड.
Is it a police state? Just answer me. Is it a police state? Why we are expected to carry identity card always? Suppose I am not.
अरे बाबा ए तू सारखं उलय नॉर्मल उलय ओय बाबा ए नॉर्मल उलय व्हाय यू आर गेटिंग
पोलिसांनी विचारलं.
स्पीक पोलाइटली बाबा यू स्पीक पोलाइटली स्पीक पोलाइटली नाही तापो नका बे तापो नका पोलाइटली
if you are going anywhere you don't carry I card you don't
not even on your phone you ask compulsory card it's not compulsory
Is it a breakage of law?
he was Indian citizen
You talk or let me talk. Indian citizen. Who is Indian citizen?
he's not Indian citizen
Which one?
that guy
So you have to arrested.
then why should he then show the card
Why he not show ID card? No, under which law? Under which law?
अरे police is asking
Under which law?
police asking
Under which law? Under which law?
you have
There is no such law.
ID card or not सर तुम्ही म्हणता एक एक टाइम
Each one has a privacy. Right to privacy.
which privacy tukde tukde gang is a privacy
Under which law?
tukde gang is a privacy Umar Khalid banner protest is a privacy it is privacy okay for example random मनीस चलता त्याच्याकडे आयडी कार्ड विचारले ॲज अ इंडियन सिटीजन वेट हांव सोपयता ॲज अ इंडियन सिटीजन त्याने आयडी कार्ड दाखोवंक जर त्याच्याकडे आयडी कार्ड ना
तुकाराम तो रिकॉर्ड करता त्याचा कॅमेरा काढ रे अरे सॉरी डोंट रिकॉर्ड
I will give I will give.
Give the camera first. You can't rob the camera. You can't rob it.
Protest.
You can't rob the camera.
We are not robbing.
It's not fair.
You can't take the camera back. You return his camera, please.
Give his camera.
We are not taking. You return his camera.
असं चालेल
अरे कैमरा दी
एक मनीस तुमचा ताका आयडी दिसता ना तुझ्याकडे आयडी ना खंयतरी डावट येता आय सोपोंक ना कित्याक तो फाल्यां मनीस खंयचोय आसूं शकता खंयचोय कंट्रीचो आसूं शकता रायट आनी तो कितेंय करूं शकता टू बी अ सेफ टू कीप सिटीजन सेफ पोलीस हॅव रायट टू आस्क द आयडी कार्ड
Under which law?
अरे तुका सांगता मरे की तो खंयच्या कंट्रीचो अंडर व्हिच लॉ
I'm also a journalist.
From
Show your
As a journalist, we are asking. You are telling you are a journalist.
No.
As a journalist, I have an ID card. Which media? You are which media?
I don't have to show you any ID.
Why?
What do you think? I'm not asking you.
You are a journalist.
I'm a journalist. Yeah. I'm not
Journalist. Show I card. Show your ID card. आमच्याकडे ID card आहे.
I card you want? What?
Don't sir, cool down, sir.
Don't stop anybody want God.
आवडते ना बाप
But don't. I never said that. You don't block anybody.
अरे सोड दे बंद कर बंद कर चला रे
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.